The verdict is in, and the jury has found Amber Heard guilty of defamation and has awarded Johnny Depp 10 million US in compensatory damages and 5 million in punitive damages. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV breaking news report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Johnny Depp wins defamation case against Amber Heard as she wins one-part countersuit. After 6 weeks of testimony, the jury in the high-profile defamation trial returned with a verdict following less than 13 hours of deliberation. Johnny Depp won his defamation case against Amber Heard, with the jury awarded him $15 million in damages. But the jury also awarded Ms. Heard $2 million for one part of her own counterclaim that Mr. Johnny Depp's lawyer had called her abuse allegations against her ex-husband a hoax. Johnny Depp won his defamation case against his ex-wife Amber Heard on Wednesday after 6 weeks of bombshell testimony at the Fairfax County Courthouse in Fairfax, Virginia. Heard was awarded $2 million in compensatory damages out of $100 million she was seeking in a court lawsuit brought against Mr. Depp. The verdict brings to an end a televised trial that Depp had hoped would have helped restore his reputation, though it turned into a spectacle of a vicious marriage. Throughout the trial, fans overwhelmingly was on Depp's side, lined up overnight for the coveted courtroom seat. Spectators who couldn't get in gathered on the street to cheer Depp and jeer Heard whenever they appear outside. Johnny Depp shook hands, bounced face with fans at a pub in the UK on Wednesday after the verdict in his defamation trial against his ex-wife Amber Heard. The jury ruled that Depp was defamed and awarded him $15 million US. Amber Heard called the ruling of $15 million in damages for her ex-husband Johnny Depp in the defamation trial a setback for a woman and a loss for freedom of speech. Heard, in her statement following the verdict in Virginia Wednesday, expressed disappointment at the number of consequences from the jury's ruling. "The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to the disproportionate power, influence, and the way of my ex-husband. I believe Johnny's attorney succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech and ignore evidence that was so conclusive that we won in the UK. I'm sad I lost this case, but I am sadder still I seem to have lost a right I thought I had as an American to speak freely and openly," she said in a statement. "I'm even more disappointed with what this verdict means for other women. It is a setback. It sets back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated. It sets back the idea that violence against women is to be taken seriously." Johnny Depp also issued a statement after the trial victory. "6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, the life of those closest to me, and also the lives of people who for many, many years have supported and believed in me were forever changed, all in the blink of an eye." This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.